Mm. Very more coconut. Hi, Pamela. Pamela one.
Yeah, the brand new coconut.
My brand new coconut and too small.
Chop, chop, chop.
I love to do it.
Yay.
This is my
Get the brand new
part
iPhone.
time. My kids
X.
love to drink
Now
coconut
we will,
milk. You like to drink coconut
see
milk,
on
Elio?
Yep, I do.
Yeah.
I want to drink. I love coconut milk.
You like to drink coconut milk.
Coconut milk, healthy and
This
fresh.
one, because before you cut and you want to
Chop it, chop it, chop
shred
it.
the
Now,
coconut.
yeah. Chop, chop, choppy, chop.
Mm.
I want to drink the coke.
See?
Do they have milk inside them?
Yeah, after. See? That.
I want to see the milk.
Mm-hmm.
I want to drink the milk. I want to be like a monkey that drinks the milk from the coconut.
Monkey.
Oh,
Monkey is very fast to do like this. Monkey do like that. He use the teeth and he spit the feet of the coconut. The feet.
Chop, chop, and never stop.
that.
Chop, chop, and never stop. Chop, chop, and never stop.
That.
Chop the coconut. Chop the coconut.
So,
Chop the coconut. Chop, chop, chop the coconut.
oh my God, too small.
So small, and they put a lot of hair.
Mm.
What the heck? Crazy. Crazy coconut maker. Yeah, we finally got our coconut. We got our small baby coconut. We got a small baby. The
You
coconut.
got it here.
Coconut.
Remove the water. Elio, he want to drink
Coconut.
water. Then I will shred it.
The coconut milk.
The white cheese, and then I can do coconut milk.
Coconut.
My baby boy Elio, and then
Coconut milk.
coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Organic coconut oil is good for the skin,
Skin, hair,
hair, and
body,
body and nails.
nails.
Yeah, but we will not advise to anybody to drink the coconut oil. Only here in the house. Only Elio he drink the coconut oil when he has coughing, because Mama he put in the glass. See? Now
Get the brand
you do this again. You see how strong it is before you can remove the coconut. You see? This is 15 pieces, ah.
Yep.
15 pieces.
It is like 3 minutes and
15 pieces.
3 and 22 minutes.
I'm from the jungle.
Jungle!
And then,
Is it going to be like a 1 hour live stream?
no.
Or this is a vlog?
I have still 10.
So this is a vlog, right?
How many I make?
Let's do.
Oh my god.
Oh God.
Oh.
Oh my God. This video is cool.
Mhm.
Yay! 4 minutes.
Too small.
Cut it, chop it, chop, chop, chop. Hi, hi.
Yeah. They need to do that. This is the hair. Hair.
Harry, Harry, Harry.
This one, if you want to make like toy, yeah, la.
Oh
Quite
no,
beautiful name.
guys, wait. We'll stop the video for a second.
Wait, Mama.
I'll
Why
stop
you
it for.
stop?
No, I'm not. Yeah, no, I'm not close. I'll make it a dark screen a bit. Okay. I do it. I'm not.
No.
Okay, I'll.
Okay,
Let's
you can
keep.
stop after when I cut the coconut. You do video with mommy. You see? Look. See? Like this. Oh my
And the
god.
ending. We have to.
Oh,
Oh, I don't know.
my god.
Is that a private video?
No, I show to my friends, close friends, that they will believe that I'm making the coconut pure and organic.
Yeah, you have to show them how you do the oil and milk.
Yeah. I think
So we'll be
I lie for them. They think I can lie, that I sell to earn money. They don't know. I do this good for health.
So this might be like 1 hour or something.
No. Yeah, 1 hour. Look how many I made. 5 this morning.
Show the coconuts.
Show mommy the
Show the coconuts.
Mommy, show that the steel pen. Hi Pamela. Look, I have steel.
Wait.
I have steel out. How many there is? Yeah.
There's more coconuts.
But this one is better little bit.
This is a better
Yeah.
coconut.
Because
But these are the worst
Mama.
coconuts.
show me here. Oh,
Okay.
this one is better. We choose the best one. Oh my god, my house. Woohoo.
So we're going to clean this mess, right?
Of course, and you will clean, Mama. Now I have 6.
6.
6 little.
Easy peasy.
6 clean. Oh my god, too small this one. Can you imagine? In the Philippines, Mama,
The coconuts are big.
big and nobody will eat like this. We don't eat in my country this one. We throw it. We don't care. Here you buy like a gold. My God.
Yeah, we love the green coconuts. We eat them, we drink them, we enjoy, we climb the
Water, you can drink it
Yeah,
because it's fresh. I never drink like this.
we are like,
And hide the brown.
Mommy, we had like 7 minutes.
Yeah,
right
off,
now.
off, Mama, off.
Why? And we're gonna show.
No, it's 10 minutes too long.
We'll just
Yala, off, Mama.